Now, I don't know about you, but on the weekends, I really do like to indulge in a nice big breakfast on a Sunday. Today on Jay's World Kitchen, I'm going to show you the perfect accompaniment for your bacon, egg, and toast, and that's home fries. Now, this recipe is very straightforward. I'm making a smaller quantity for about 1 to 2 people, maybe 3 at a push, but you may want to increase these volumes. I'm going to start off by boiling some potatoes, and just for a few minutes we're going to start off with some water on the stove with 1 teaspoon of salt. And then I have approximately 3 medium potatoes that I've cut into roughly about 1 to 1.5 centimeters cubes. And when your water is boiling, we're going to pop those potatoes in there. And I've rinsed them already. We're just going to put them into that water. Now, once your potatoes are in the water, you're going to let that water come back up to a boil and boil them for 3 minutes. Now, while those are boiling, I'd like to take a moment to give a big shout out to my supporters on Patreon. Without their financial support, this channel would absolutely not be possible. If you'd like to find out more about Patreon and how you can support this channel financially, please click on the Patreon link down below in the comment section as well. After which, you're going to strain them out. Now, once we've strained our potatoes, we're going to put approximately 2 tablespoons of oil, and I'm just using a vegetable oil here, but of course you can use an olive oil or whatever oil you want. Even a canola oil is fine for this. Going to get that nice and hot, and our pan is already heating up pretty well. Now, when that oil's nice and hot, we're going to put in our potatoes. In as much of an even layer as we possibly can. Now, bear in mind that potatoes are going to soak up a lot of oil. So you do want that oil quite hot when you start, and then we're going to keep an eye on it. This is going to fry for about 20 minutes total, but we're going to just start off with getting these potatoes to start browning very slightly. And now that our potatoes are pretty much golden brown, we are going to add another little, probably 1 tablespoon worth of oil. And I'm going to add in about ½ an onion that's been quite finely chopped. And we're just going to fry those up for a few minutes. Now, if you're enjoying this video, please remember to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button, and remember to turn on notifications so that you know when I post my next video. And as soon as you start seeing them go translucent, we're going to add in 1 chopped pepper, and I'm just using a nice red bell pepper, and we're just going to get that in there. They don't have to cook for very long. Now, when your peppers have gotten nice and soft, that's when you're going to add in my favorite ingredient, which is my steak spice recipe. And I'm just using 1 tablespoon of it, and we're going to put that over everything and give it a good stir to get that well combined. Now, of course, you can add in your own favorite spices, but I really do like this recipe, and I'll share that link with you at the end of this video. Now, of course, the smell of this is just amazing. It's certainly very aromatic with the onions and the sweet peppers in there, but you can also smell a hint of that spice in there, and I'm really excited for this. I love this, that it also pairs so well with a traditional breakfast, bacon, eggs, and toast and that kind of thing, but let's give it a try. That's perfect. The potatoes are nice and crisp on the outside, soft and melty on the inside. It's definitely, you can taste that onion and the slight hint of sweetness in those peppers. But what I really like about this is the boldness of that steak spice that comes out sort of towards the end. I really enjoy this, and I love doing this with my breakfast. Now, of course, you can add on top of it grated cheddar cheese or mozzarella if you like, but I like it just like this. How do you enjoy yours? I'd love to hear from you in the comment section below if you tried this recipe or what you do different to what I do. If you'd like to see more of my content, you can find me on all of these social medias, and you can find those links down below in the comment section as well. Now, if you'd like to try the steak spice that I use for this, that is so versatile and you can use it on so many different things, you can find that video right here. And if you'd like some more of my breakfast and side dish ideas, you can click on this playlist right here. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy eating.